Hello friends, today we will discuss the NEET previous year's questions of Chapter 1 Living World from year 1998 to 2020. Let's start. First question. The label of herbarium sheet does not carry the information on. The answer is height of the plant, option D. Herbarium contains date of collection, name of collector and local names. Second question. Match column 1 with column 2 for housefly classification and select the correct option using the codes given below. As we know that phylum Arthropoda. From that option A is correct and family Mucidae, order Diphtheria, class Insecta. Option A is correct. Third question. Study the four statements from A to B given below and select the two correct ones out of them. Option A. Definition of biological species was given by Ernest Bayer. Yes, it is correct. Option B. Photoperiod does not affect reproduction in plants. No, it is wrong. It affects. Option C. Binomial nomenclature system was given by R.H. Whittaker. No, it is given by Linnaeus. And option D. In unicellular organisms, reproduction is synonymous with growth, as it is correct. So option C, A and D. Fourth question. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rules. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules of nomenclature? Option A. The names are written in Latin and are italicized. It is correct. And option B. When written by hand, they asked incorrect ones. Option B. When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. It is correct. And option C. Biological names can be written in any language. It is wrong. So our option is option C. Next question. Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not a correct statement? Option A. A museum has collection of photographs of plants and animals. No, this is the wrong statement and our answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. The common characteristics between tomato and potato will be maximum at the level of their option A, family. It is the right answer. Let's move to the seventh question. Which one of the following organisms is scientifically correctly matched, named, correctly printed according to the international rules of nomenclature and correctly described? Option A. Muxa domestica, the common house lizard. No, it is the name of the housefly. Option B. Plasmodium falciparum, a protozoan pathogen causing the most serious type of malaria. As it is the correct answer. Let's move to the 8th question. Which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular taxonomic category? A. Tiger, tigris species, as it is the correct answer. Which one of the following ninth question. Which one of the following aspects is an exclusive characteristic of living things? Option A. Isolated metabolic reaction occurring in vitro. Option B. Increase in mass from inside only. Option C. Perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Option D. Increase in mass by accumulation of material both on surface as well as internally. And our answer is option C, perception of events happening in the environment and their memory. Let's move the next question. Question number 10. ICBN stands for. This is the easy question and the answer is option A, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. And for ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Let's move to the 11th question. The living organisms can be unexpectedly distinguished from non-living things on the basis of their ability for option A, interaction with the environment and progressive evolution. Option B, reproduction. Option C, growth and movement. Option D, response to touch. Our answer is option D, response to touch. Let's move to the 12th question. One of the most important functions of botanical gardens is that option A, they provide a beautiful area for recreation. Option B, one can observe tropical plants there. Option C, they allow extensive conservation of germplasm. Option D, they provide the natural habitat for wildlife. Our answer is option C, they allow extensive conservation of germplasm. Let's move to the next question. Question number 13. Species are considered as option A, real basic units of classification. Option B, the lowest units of classification. Option C, artificial concept of human mind which cannot be defined in absolute terms. Option D, real units of classification devised by taxonomists. Our answer is option A, real basic units of classification. Let's move to the next question. Question number 14. Biosystematics aims that. Our answer is option C, the classification of organisms based on their evolutionary history and establishing their phylogeny on the totality of various parameters from all fields of studies. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is less general in characteristics as compared to genus? A, species, B, division, C, family, C, class, and D, family. Our answer is A, species. 16th question. The book Genera Plantarum was written by option A, Engler and Prantl. Option B, Bentham and Hooker. Option C, Bessie and D, Hutchinson. Our answer is option B, Bentham and Hooker. 17th question. Taxon is a unit of a group of A, order, B, taxonomy, C, species and D, genus. Answer is B, taxonomy. 18th question. Linnaeus is credited with A, binomial nomenclature, B, theory of biogenesis, C, discovery of microscope, D, discovery of blood circulation. Our answer is A, binomial nomenclature. And the blood circulation is discovered by William Harvey. 19th question. Sequence of taxonomic categories is division, class, order, family, tribe, genus and species. Question number 20. The term phylum was given by A, Cuvier, B, Haeckel, C, Theophrastus, D, Linnaeus. Answer is B, Haeckel. Question number 21. A group of plants or animals with similar traits of the rank is A, species, B, genus, C, order, D, taxon. Answer is taxon. Let's move. Question number 22. A taxon is a group of related families. Option B, a group of related species. C, a type of living organisms. Option D, a taxonomic group of any ranking. Answer is D, a taxonomic group of any ranking. Question number 23. Basic unit or smallest taxon of taxonomical classification is. It is none other than species. Question number 24. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called monomial, vernacular, binomial, polynomial. Answer is C, binomial. Question number 25. The term new systematics was introduced by Bentham and Hooker, Linnaeus, Julian Huxley, A.P.D. Condell. Answer is option C, Julian Huxley. Question number 26. Static concept of species was put forward by A. D. Condell, B. Linnaeus, C. Theophrastus, and D. Darwin. Answer is C, Theophrastus. Let's move to the next question. This question was asked on NEET 2018. Match the items given in column 1 with those column 2 and select the correct option given below. A. Herbarium. Herbarium is the place where dried and pressed plant specimens mounted on the sheet are kept. B. Key. Key is a booklet containing a list of characters and their alternatives which are helpful in identification of various taxa. C. Museum. Museum, it is a place having collection of preserved plants and animals. D. Catalog. Catalog is a list that enumerates methodologically all the species found in an area with brief description aiding and identification. So our option is 4. NEET 2019. Select the correctly written scientific name of mango which was first described by Carolus Linnaeus. Answer is Mangifera indica Linn. We must remember that the genus must start with the capital letter and the species must start with the small letter, and they must be written in italics. This question was asked in NEET Odisha 2019. Which of the following is against the rules of ICBN? First option, handwritten scientific names should be underlined. Yes, this is correct. Second option, every species should have a generic name and a specific epithet. Yes. Option number 3, scientific names are in Latin and should be italicized. Yes. Option number 4, generic and specific names should be written starting with small letters. No, it is wrong. The genus should be written in capital letters and the species must start with small letters. This is the end of our class. Thank you.